For the dough, we're going to use 1 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. We're just going to bring that together. Just going to scrape it down and make sure the butter's in there with the cream cheese. This is 2 cups of flour. Going to scrape it down once and just mix it one more time. Just going to bring this together and divide it into 4 parts. Just put it into a ball, because we're going to roll this out into a circle and refrigerate it. I'm going to chop up some pecans. This is for the filling. I want them to be pretty fine. Am I making a mess? I also have some soft butter and cinnamon. I have apricot preserves, and I have some strawberry jam. So we'll make our filling. To make the strawberry filling, I'm going to start off with 1/4 cup of butter, a few tablespoons of strawberry jam, a good 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And this is going to be for 2 of the balls. Just mush it together. It'll break down. Just takes a moment. You don't have to make it perfectly blended. So now I have for the apricot one, I have 1/4 cup of butter and 2 tablespoons of the apricot preserves. Remember, this is the only sweetness that's going to be on the cookie besides the 2 tablespoons of sugar in the dough. Even the cinnamon that I'm putting in here is not sweet. I'm just choosing not to sprinkle sugar all over them. So a good 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and just start squishing it together. Here I have a combination of flour and sugar. I like to roll things in flour and sugar. We'll take out 1 little round at a time. I have the oven heating up 375. And we're going to roll this out to 1/8 of an inch thick circle. So go ahead and take them off to cool. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on top of them. See how I slid a piece of parchment paper under here? That'll just help to keep it from being too messy on my board. The little teeny ones are really the best. These are going to look wonderful on a cookie tray. You have a little assortment of all different sorts of holiday cookies. So I hope you have a lot of fun making these. I know I did. They're really actually pretty quick and easy. So I'll see you again soon. Bye.